we got a number line like this for the variable n. You got -2, -1, 0 and 1, and you have a line with a circle and then it is extended like this. Now we are asked to write down the inequality. Now the most important observation you will have to find, or you will have to notice, is this circle. The circle is not shaded. Now, whenever the circle is not shaded, it means n cannot take this value -1. You cannot state n is equal to -1. This is incorrect. So that means n is actually taking all values that are lying to the right hand side of -1. Now since we are moving towards the right, that means n is actually taking greater values. If it is moves towards the left, n will be taking lesser values to -1. So the context is -1. So the required inequality for representing for this figure is n takes all values that are lying to the right side of -1. That means all values that are greater than -1. So this is the solution for this question.